Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a simple morning habit that's been gaining attention, adding clove to your daily coffee. Now, before you think this sounds weird, hear me out. Clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is catching up with some pretty interesting findings. So grab your cup of coffee and let's explore what really happens when you combine these two together, and whether it's something you should try.
Secret 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. First up, inflammation. Clove contains a compound called eugenol, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. Think of inflammation like a low-grade fire in your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to issues like joint pain, heart disease, and even premature aging. When you add a small amount of clove to your coffee, you're essentially giving your body an extra tool to help calm that fire. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a gentle, natural support your body can use daily, especially if you deal with morning stiffness or ongoing aches. Secret 2. Boosts digestion and reduces bloating. Second benefit, digestion. Coffee on an empty stomach can sometimes cause bloating or discomfort, right? Clove can actually help with that. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which means your body breaks down food more efficiently. Plus, clove has mild antimicrobial properties that support gut health. So if you're someone who feels a bit unsettled after your morning brew, adding a pinch of clove might help balance things out and keep your stomach happy. Secret 3. May help regulate blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that compounds in clove can improve insulin sensitivity. Basically, how well your body uses sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. Now, this doesn't mean clove coffee is a treatment for diabetes, but if you're looking to avoid those mid-morning energy crashes, this combination might give you more stable, sustained energy throughout the day. Secret 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Fourth, antioxidants. Coffee already has antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. But clove? It's actually one of the most antioxidant-rich spices on the planet, even more than blueberries, gram for gram. When you combine coffee and clove, you're doubling down on cellular protection. This helps fight free radicals, supports healthy aging, and keeps your immune system strong. Think of it as your daily defense shield. Secret 5. Natural breath freshener and oral health support. Clove is a common ingredient in natural toothpaste and mouthwash because of its antibacterial properties. It helps fight the bacteria that cause bad breath and may even support gum health. So while coffee can sometimes leave you with coffee breath, clove works to neutralize it. Pretty clever combo, right? Okay, so how do you actually do this? Option 1, add 1 or 2 whole cloves to your coffee grounds before brewing. This gives a subtle, warm flavor. Option 2, sprinkle a tiny pinch, seriously, just a pinch of ground clove into your brewed coffee and stir. Start small because clove has a strong flavor. Option 3, if you like iced coffee, you can steep whole cloves in cold brew overnight. My recommendation? Start with just 1 clove or a small pinch. You want the health benefits without overpowering your coffee. It should enhance the flavor, not dominate it. Scientific reasoning. Now, why does this work? It all comes down to those active compounds, especially eugenol. Research shows eugenol has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant effects. When absorbed into your system, these compounds go to work supporting various body functions, from metabolism to immune response. It's not magic, it's just good nutrition working with your body's natural processes. So there you have it, 5 solid reasons to try adding clove to your coffee. It's simple, affordable, and backed by both tradition and science. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it tastes and how you feel. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical health tips you can actually use. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay curious.